Chris. Welcome to our kitchen.
I'm Kristen.
And we're Keto in the Country.
This is your channel for smart, healthy, whole food recipes. To our subscribers, we just wanted to say thank you so much. You guys keep us motivated. You inspire us every day. Every day. And we have a special shout out today to Pachamama. Thank you so much for always giving us such great feedback. I mean, we can't tell you how much we appreciate it.
Really good feedback.
Yes.
Also, just one quick announcement before we get started. Our website is up and running. You can find all of our Keto in the Country recipes there. We hope you find a lot that you'll love to cook. And also, if you do cook one of our recipes, send us a picture.
Yes.
We would love to be able to feature it on one of our videos.
Yes. Now, today we are going to be making goat cheese provolone Portobello mushroom caps. And now we're just going to go ahead and show you how quick and easy this is. I mean, it's almost too easy to really believe it's this good.
It's too easy. It was almost too easy to make a YouTube video, but it was they're too good not to.
Yes. And now all you want to do is clean your mushroom caps, of course, with a damp cloth. And after that, you're going to preheat the oven to 375 and take just a little bit of avocado oil, just because it has such a high smoke point and we love avocado oil for everything.
And we salt.
Yes, and then we add salt and you let them cook in the oven for about 15 minutes. Now, we will show you when we pull them out that they release so much liquid, which is good. That's the whole purpose of this part. So we'll put them in the oven for 15 minutes and we will be right back. I love this. But I mean, I love these. We're gonna put some garlic powder again. Now,
oh, is that my job?
Yeah, garlic powder, some more salt. I just put some more oil on it.
Just sprinkle it with garlic powder?
Just sprinkle it. And then again, we put this back in the oven for another, you can do 10 to 15 minutes. It just depends on like how firm you want them. I just like mine a little bit more cooked. But anyways, yeah, so we pop this back in the oven. We will be back to top it with the most delicious part that makes this recipe so fantastic. Okay, so actually we ended up taking ours out at about 10 minutes. It's just really up to you how much you want yours to be cooked. We would rather have them underdone than overdone since they will go back in the oven to broil.
And if you overcook them, they sort of lay flat and they don't have that beautiful little cup.
Yeah, they'll have a mushroom pancake. So now Christy's gonna top these with a generous portion of goat cheese.
Okay, and by generous, you mean how much?
Have fun with it, like how much you would want if you were serving it for yourself. So,
which I am.
Yeah. And be generous with mine too.
Okay.
And after this, we're going to top it with some provolone. I think that the flavors together are really delicious.
I can't believe how good the goat cheese is with the mushrooms.
Yes.
Also, while I'm doing this and Kristen's waiting with the provolone, be sure to watch our bloopers. We have bloopers at the end of every single video, and sometimes they're just hilarious. Wait, I want to put on it. You said be generous. I love goat cheese, so I'm going to be generous.
Goat cheese. It's funny because goat cheese is something that I think is good on everything. I know that some people, it's not their favorite, but try this out, especially if you're unsure of goat cheese. I think this is the perfect recipe to try it with. So, okay, now what we do is we're going to put ours back in the oven under broil on high for about like 3 to 4 minutes, maybe longer. I just like mine bubbly and golden.
Yep.
So, okay, we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, they are bubbly, melty, and golden.
Gorgeous. We are going to top them with some homemade pesto. Now, if you haven't looked into our Patreon account, do that, because this macadamia nut basil pesto is on our Patreon account.
Yes.
So we're just going to top it with a little bit of that. You could also use bruschetta.
Yes, or both. That's what I would do. I mean, talk about garlic overload. Now, one of the things I did just want to point out to you mindful of is, you know, because you're salting and seasoning both sides, especially for us, be cautious how much salt you put, because
and you know how much salt we like.
Oh.
Okay, so we're going to plate these and we'll be right back for the taste test. Okay, so we're here to taste test it. Always our favorite part. It took about, how long to cook this?
So 15 plus 10 plus 4. I think about 30 minutes. Less than 30 minutes.
Less than 30 minutes. You could use it for an hors d'oeuvre, appetizer,
side,
snack.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Lunch.
Whatever you want. So let's dig in and try it.
Oh, you're using a fork.
I know that you're not.
Okay.
She didn't use it when she came home from vacation, or from her trip. She came home and I had like the fork and knife set out and I saw her pick it up with her fingers and I was like, well, okay then.
You have knocked this out of the ballpark. This is delicious. It's elegant. You taste the goat cheese, the pesto if you add it.
Yes, and I highly suggest trying the macadamia pesto. It's out of this world.
So, thank you once again for, see, I ate with my fingers. No, I can't do anything. Thank you so much for joining us today. We appreciate you. We appreciate our subscribers. I think we probably have some bloopers if you want to hang around, but if not, we will see you
next time. Thank you guys so much for joining today.
Bye.
Bye. I need like this goat cheese that didn't make it. Put that in here and in my mouth. Oh my god, they're gorgeous.
That just, oh shit.
What?
It wasn't going again.
It's okay.